Hi everybody, welcome to my cozy cottage. Happy 4th of July. I am taping this just before I go to the Bristol RI Parade. My son is in the parade this year and I am so excited to go. But I wanted to start a video and get it going, and I'm hoping at the end of the clip I'll have some things to show you. So I've explained that I'm going to be doing more videos and they're going to be shorter hauls for the summer. So I have an unboxing to do for you. Let me put my flag down appropriately. And I'll be opening this from Temu, so stay tuned. Welcome everyone. Today I have both a Temu unboxing, and the end of this video has the Bristol RI Parade for 2025. I hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned till the end. So before I begin with this big huge box I'm going to be opening, let's talk about my outfit of the day for 4th of July. This was my little hairpiece I got from the Dollar Tree. This is my cross necklace I got from Temu. This was a combo crystal blue chain that I absolutely love, and I put a cross pendant on it. And I have my earrings. These were from Temu. I sent some of these out to some of my YouTube friends. I hope you get to use them today. And I've got my red glasses on my head. I'll probably wear sunglasses to the parade. I'm nervous because I hear there are so many people. I don't even know if we're going to be able to get near the parade, so I'm leaving in a few minutes to meet Kevin, and we're going to meet on our way there to try to take one car to go parking. So, and this top, I want to say it's Temu, but lately I've ordered both Amazon and Temu, Amazon haul. Pretty sure it's Temu. I would promise I will put in the link in the description box and let you know either way. But let me show it to you. It's really cute. It's like a longer style. I love that it had the nautical look. I love the little notch in the V-neck. It's super soft. Can't remember what size, but let me stand back. I'll give you a full look of the outfit of the day, okay? Yeah, so the style of this is really nice because it's longer. And I have like a navy blue legging from Temu. Let me stand back. I don't know if you can see my bottom here, but I'm wearing sneakers because I'm going to be doing a lot of walking. So this is my outfit of the day. Okay, so I decided I'll do this unboxing outside, and we'll see how this is. This is pretty big to open inside the house, so I'm really excited to see how this is and what I think as compared to what I paid. So I paid $8.95, and then I paid $2.99 shipping. So if this is a decent umbrella, I am going to be really excited about this. So let's see, I'm starting to open it, trying to figure out the best way. And I got the navy blue because I wanted it to match the set I have out here. Now the stand I'm going to use is actually probably going to be better off if I had this in a table, but for now, just to check it out, here's the pole. And I'm trying to figure out how to put this thing together, but I'll figure it out. Decide to come closer to show you with the camera. The top here has the double little layered part on the top. The fabric looks pretty good. I wanted to give you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's what the pole looks like close up. The bottom's solid and the top, you just basically, I'm going to flip it right together. There's not much involved in it. It seems pretty easy. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I apologize if you hear the air conditioner in the background. It's a really hot day here today. So I'm trying to check it out, see how it goes, and I tried different ends to see if there's another piece. I thought maybe I was missing one, but basically you just slip that right on and it goes right into the umbrella. I just struggled a little bit at first. I didn't think it was going to fit. but it actually did, and it just slides right on. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Now I'm going to try to stand it in my stand. But as I discovered, this stand really needs a table to help hold it straighter up top. But for now, it's okay. But for me to want it straight, I need to adjust the inside a little better or get a table that holds the post straight a little better. Now I'm going to try to crank it and see what goes on with this. It does come with a crank, and let's see how easy it cranks open. There we go. What do you think? It's looking pretty good, right? It's cranking. It's real easy to crank. It's not hard at all. And it's going right up, and voila, we have shade. But see, you can see I'm holding it to make sure it's steady. It's not quite steady in my stand, but that's not the umbrella's fault. That's my stand. And you'll see I was looking up to see how the underneath looks. And I'm going to give you a close-up. I'll get the camera, but see how wobbly it is? It's not secure in my stand. I'm going to try to adjust it, but I never get it quite how it should be. But like I said, that's not because of the umbrella. That's because my stand is not quite working the way it should. Okay, now I'm going to try to get a view for you underneath so you can see the mechanics of this thing. It's really pretty nice. So if you can see, this is all metal, it's not wood. There's a function here, which I'm going to show with Kevin in a bit, where you can tilt the umbrella different ways, and it has a little clip to hold in. And I am really impressed with this umbrella, especially for the cost I have. Even if I get a couple of years, I've gotten my money's worth. Look how nice the crank is. You know, up and down directions, and it's pretty good sturdy piece. They do have a warning, make sure you close it during high winds, which most of us know. And this is it from far back. This isn't fully open. This is just a little bit before it's fully open. Later I'll show you one. This is what the box looks like. This is what it says all about it, the size and all that. Here's the number of the umbrella, the item number. And what do I have here? And this is just a picture of what it looks like. So here I'm going to have Kevin show you how you can bend it different ways to block the shade. So here you click it and you push a button there and it goes one way, so you can tilt it. And he was showing me how to tilt it different ways, which is really nice. I mean, I can't believe how nice this umbrella is. What a deal I got on this. So I'm real happy with it. So I'd love to hear what you did on the 4th of July in the comments. I hope you spent time with your family and loved ones. I want to thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for all the birthday wishes. I appreciate all the comments on my last video. It was so sweet. You all just warmed my heart. I'm so grateful for all of you. And I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July. Take care, my sweet friends. Bye for now. Here I am walking about 3 miles to the Bristol Parade. Hope I make it on time. So I made it on time to see my son. This is the truck that was pulling the boat that he was on. And there's Uncle Sam, and all his band was playing on this boat. It was really cool, and I was so thrilled that I made it. That's Darren, the lead singer. And you can't really see my son, but he's in there playing that guitar. The boat says, "Make America Kind." And here's the back view of all the things that were blowing bubbles and just having a really good time on that float. I also, one of my favorite things was the next clip that's coming up. I put my favorite parts first, but I'm showing you several clips of the Bristol, Rhode Island Parade. So the next one is a clip of Elvis Presley. How cool is that? They had Elvis at the Bristol Parade. Pretty cool. This next band was my favorite band of the day. Look at these moves they do. Side, side, back and forth, twisting all around. It takes such skill and practice to do this. I thought they were phenomenal. This was my all-time favorite band in the whole parade. Fabulous. The rest of the parade I played to some nice music, so I hope you'll enjoy it.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence I am free.